So hello guys, today we are going to show you how to polish the headlights of your car. And for example, this is the result that you have to expect. This is it after polishing, and this is before. That's my girl here doing her job. Yeah, very nice. For the things that you need, 70 yeah 70% alcohol, a polishing, a clear finish, and three types of sandpaper. Also, you need a paper tape and some kind of plastic bag. Okay, let's get to work. Okay, so you're going to want to start with the thickest sandpaper, and you have to do circular motions. Yeah, she's using the mid-range sandpaper right now. She's doing a little circular motion, and then she's going to do side from side, side to side. But now we're going to do it with the thinnest sandpaper we have. Teamwork!
Et fier.
After finishing with the thinnest sandpaper, this should be the result. And then you use the 70% alcohol to clean it as such. Then you cover up the car like this to prevent the clear coat touching the paint. Obviously this is a trash bag, so you have to cut the downside of it. Yeah? And then you just go like this. And if you have assistant with you, you can just cut it in the middle. But if you don't, you can do something like this, and it should split off clearly.
Whoa! The strongest man alive!
Yeah, Saitama will eat the pasta, if you know what I mean. Then you cut off the hole for the light, yeah. Then you cut a hole for the light.
It's complete.
You wipe it one last time with alcohol.
Good, 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 good.
No, don't drink it, please. Yeah,
Clean.
it's supposed to look a little bit foggy. You let the alcohol dry up, and then you start spraying it with the clear coat. Yep. And in the meantime, you can check out my merchandise. There's the link right here. Yeah, it's very nice. It's a 2-year-old shirt. Yeah,
2 years.
2-year-old shirt. Yeah, 2 years or 1 year. How old is this shirt?
2.
And now you start spraying the clear coat. You let it dry for a couple of minutes, 5 or 10 minutes, and you apply a second coating, then 5 to 10 minutes again, a third coating, and then you wait for 24 hours, and then you apply the polishing wax. Okay guys, we're here 24 hours later, and as you can see, the effect is pretty good. It's pretty good. The headlights are just unspeakably good. Nice?
Nice.
And now, this for us, this looks quite good. We're going to go a step further and polish the lights so that shine can hold up longer. And yeah, the polish that we're going to use is yep, this little thing right here. We're going to try it and we're going to see. This is a regular metal polish. Yeah, we're going to do it with a metal polish, and we will see if it works, and we will tell you if that is a worthy option if you don't have a plastic polish. And this is a bird poo. So guys, we did this LED right here, and it is a little bit better, but now we're going to try this one that actually you can see. Alright, I'm going to yeah, I'm going to turn off the flashlight of the phone, so yeah, you can see. So yeah, it does look nice.
ASMR.
Yep. Peeling off tape ASMR. Nice. And yeah, that is it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. You will die, like very fucked.
Very
Минало водата, стана на война.